Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we make amazing animation in PowerPoint. Before start lesson, we humbly request you kindly like video, subscribe channel and press bell icon button for more updates. So let's start our today lesson. This is a very amazing and stunning animation. Like and subscribe. Press escape to quit this slide. Control and new slide open. Control A remove by default text and close thumbnail. Insert tab, draw here text box. You can write no any text you desire, but I like my mother, so I type here mother. Control A, change font size, Berlin, bold, and increase 200. Little bit zoom out now, and fix text into slide. Center, format, center and middle. Something losing to increase and change font color. You choose your desired pattern. First red, pink, light blue, and little second last. Okay. Right click, format background, and change background color light dark. Select our desired text, format, text effect, glow. Okay, it's complete now. Designing complete. Animation, add animation, more enter effect, and existing drop. Press OK. Gain animation and start with previous animation panel. Right click, effect options, timing, repeat until slide end, timing fast, text animation. Okay, so I think animation complete now. Press F5. Thanks for watching.